Ay! Ito, Fast and Furious. Galing kay Sheepy Ambitious. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. Ito naman galing kay Boss Gary. Titanium Sawa. To Harley Quinn by LF kay Madam. Kasama tong Leto, 16 shots. Kasi ito naman, Roman Candle. Mga pang bata ito eh. Galing din kay Rosalie. Itong Baby Rocket or Whistling Moon Traveler with Report. Galing kay Madam Rosalie. Ito naman, Special Sputnik Silver. Ito yung mataas yung Cindy. Galing kay Boss Gary. Ito naman, For Sure Sputnik Silver. Galing kay Boss Gary ulit. Packaging pa lang. Panalong panalo na. Sheesh. Ito naman, Jumbo. Jumbo Silver. Last but not the least, ang small silver nila. Grabe, quality talaga. So, ayun lang. PM nyo na lang sila. Meron pa akong stash pero yan muna. Peace out.